So Lyndsay, why is this type of work so important for trading standards to carry out, and how is it helping consumers and businesses across Wales?
So for trading standards, we assist with the local improvement and local agendas. For trading standards within Newport, we are assisting and taking part in the change plan, the climate change plan, which is in Newport from 22 to 27, by raising awareness and enforcing the standards of energy performance certification. For Newport, this is really important so that we have an even playing field for all our landlords, and we have a lot of vulnerable tenants that live in Newport in rental accommodation who are suffering from low incomes. They're struggling with their energy and low energy poverty. So it's really important that we are able to make sure that we get an even playing field, that they are supported with having efficient energy within their rented accommodation.
Absolutely, and when that's rolled out across Wales, that's going to help many more vulnerable consumers as well.
Absolutely.